Hello everyone, so today I will be talking about money. How does money and spirituality connect together? There are a lot of sayings that if you are rich, you can't be spiritual. But I think this isn't true, because you have money or you don't, you have health or you don't, you have some kind of opportunities or you don't, it doesn't make you spiritual or not. This is not the factor which defines spirituality. The factor which defines spirituality is how you are acting in world. What are you doing? What are you thinking? It doesn't matter you have money or not. Spirituality, it is what are you thinking about world and what are you doing. If you have a lot of money and you're acting with them in respect and doing good jobs, money is good for you, and universe will make that you will have more of them. And if you have no money and you are telling bad things about others who has money and trying to find some kind of negatives to say about ones who has money, you are doing sin every time you think so. So this is not spirituality, this is going against spirituality, this is doing sins every moment of your thinking like that. So money isn't something what can forbid you to go to spirituality, but your own ego can do a lot of bad things when you have money, If you are not controlling yourself, and if you have no limits, if you have no moral, you can really do a lot of bad things with money, and which will be only worse for you. You will get more bad karma and you will create problems which shouldn't appear in your life if you will not have money. So that problems is not needed for you. So as an example, in lottery, a lot of people think that we can control money. We are ready to have a lot of them. But as statistics shows, more than 19% of people are just spending more than they have won. Even after a few years, they have even less than before the prize. And a lot of them are saying that prize just ruled their life. And same thing happens with new business owners. In 1 or 2 years, more than 18 or 19% goes to bankrupt, So it means that 9 of 10 people goes to bankrupt, and all of them thinks that they can handle a business, can do something good, and so on. So it shows our unrealistic thinking, about reality, and it shows that it can end whatever, whatever it will be, and it shows our thinking that we can do everything with money in the right way, even if we can't. So if you don't have money enough, it can be the reason that you are thinking you are good with money, but you are not. So if there is the true, you should begin to find what is wrong in your worldview about money. Maybe there are some kind of stereotypes in you when you think that one who has too much money is bad, or maybe it is anger on someone that it's not worth that money but he has, and so on. And you should find all these negatives about money and convert them to positives. And not only because you need more money, but because to become more spiritual, because you have to clean like this every area of your life. If you are not doing this, you are just getting more trashes in you, more kind of things, mess in your mind, and this is not helping you to go to spirituality. This only creates negative in you and blocks opportunities in you. So when we are begin to find these negatives and just getting rid of, we are going more and more into life. We are getting more and more opportunities. We are getting more money, relationships, and everything in our life because we are not blocking experiences anymore. And when we are blocking, saying that, okay, rich people is bad, we are just saying, okay, I don't want to know you, because you are rich, you are bad, it's my worldview, it's my stereotype. And when you think that beautiful people is bad, you are blocking from beautiful people. And when you think that tall people is bad, you are blocking from tall people. And there are so much stereotypes which you can have that it will force you just only to sit at home with a shield and just protecting from your own illusion, Reality will say to you, come to us, we are good, everything is okay. And you will say, no, you want to hurt me, I know I have this own thoughts and they are telling me that I should be fear of you because you are bad. This is what negativity gives to you. And when it is about money, it forces you to don't have money because you are blocking just in your own worldview. So spirituality and money has very less connection, It is money is not a good thing for spirituality, and money is not a bad thing. It's neutral as everything else. Like an example, if you get money and you don't know where to spend them, just you can give it to church. That's it. So where it is the bad thing of having money? If you are getting them and you are giving them forever, this is a good thing. And if you are blocking money, you are not getting that money and you are not giving to church, and someone else that money can spend on alcohol. So which one station is better? When you are not blocking and taking from someone which will buy maybe alcohol from that money, and you just taking from them and giving to church, or you even not taking that money, blocking and letting for some kind of people to use it in bad behavior. I'm not saying directly that you should take or do, just simple example, what we can do with money. If you don't need them, okay, you can give it to poor people, to someone who needs them, but you shouldn't block of them because you will still need them. Our environment requires us to buy food, to buy a lot of kind of stuff to live in cities and so on. So you can't get rid of that thing which calls money. You should be friend with. Only then when you will be calm about money, you will be okay. Money is money, It's just a trading system. You will get more of them. And I know that there are problems about money in the world, that some kind of people hasn't limits on them and doing some kind of bad things, but be calm about them too, because they are getting their bad karma. They will have lessons, they will have penalties, and they will deal with bad problems when it will be the time for them. Maybe it's just the time for them to get that experience of money and just feel what it is and just manipulate or some kind of thing and get big penalty and be again in a position where we find the solution of their bad behavior and trying to fix it and so on. So it is important that you will look at yourself, what is in your head, what you are thinking about money, what is your relationship with money. If you will find all negatives and convert them to positives, you will be you will be getting more money, and you will be not so kind of directed to think about money. Because if you are thinking about money, it is positive or negative, it's not a good thing at all, because you can think about something better, like an example, how to make something better for others, how to make some kind of good work for others. It is better things to have, even when not as you will have no negative thoughts about money. you are using that capabilities of your brain for a wrong thing, for going against, you know, what humanity is creating. So thank you, and see you next time.